How to ask questions on Craigslist. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can ask questions on Craigslist for a specific product that you might have seen. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you're browsing through Craigslist, you're browsing for some of the products that you want to purchase, but then all of a sudden you notice that if you want to reply to that specific product or anything such as you want to ask questions, you can see that we do not have the comments button, right? So how do we actually ask questions? Well, the only way to ask questions on Craigslist is to either reply them via email or either call them by their phone number, but only if they have added it. And in order to do that, if you look on the top left hand side of the product, you'll actually be able to find this reply button, though it may not be clearly visible. Just look for it. Once you go to the reply option over here, you might want to verify some captcha, but if not, then here you'll find the option called show email. If the seller has added their contact number, you'd be able to find the option called show contact number as well. But if the seller didn't allow you to see their numbers, then you'll only be able to find the email. You can just choose the option called show email over here. Now, depending upon whatever webmail links you use, such as Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, or Gmail, you can just choose either of these options. Once you go ahead and choose to contact them by either of these methods, you'll be able to successfully send them a message. And this is simply how you ask questions on Craigslist. That is via email. You do not have a dedicated comment section. So just type in a question, whatever you want to, and then hit the send button from the bottom of the screen. And once done, you'll have successfully asked your question. And if you're lucky, you might also even get a reply. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.